Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a gentle hip opener. Come to sit a little more forward on your chair, clasping the sides of your chair for support. Step your feet into a wide stance and then lift your heels, coming onto the balls of your feet. Moving from your hip joint, begin to alternate, dropping one knee inward, adding an internal hip rotation, and then repeating on the opposite side. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, creating more mobility and flexibility through your hips. Release and step your feet back to center. Sitting tall with your core lightly engaged, begin to circle your right leg open and around for an external hip rotation, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while waking up your right hip. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this gentle hip rotation on the opposite side. Sitting tall with your core engaged, begin to circle your left leg open and around for an external hip rotation, making this movement as big or small as comfortable. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, waking up your left hip. Release and return to center, moving into one more hip opener. Cross your right leg over your left. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, and when you're ready, slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Optional to use your left hand to clasp your right ankle and gently draw your right heel toward the outside of your left hip, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this gentle hip opener on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, and when you're ready, begin to lengthen your torso forward out over your legs. Optional to use your right hand to clasp your left ankle, gently drawing your left heel towards your outer right hip, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer thigh, hip, and low back. Slowly lift your torso to upright and release, returning to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.